What is up, good people? We are on 67 today. All right, our task activity is color, castle color match. We're using the disc transport. All right, so we're going to send our robot up here. We're going to have him place 3 discs of each color inside each goal, and then hide the remaining 3 discs behind the wall. You can put the other 3 discs anywhere you want behind this wall. All right, so put the colors in the hole and hide, put 3 of them out here. Pretty simple. We go to Vex, we go to Disk Transport. All right, so our guys here, so it's going to be blue. Grab that blue, put him over here. Green over here, green over here, blue over here, and then the third blue, we're going to bury it somewhere around the outside. Okay? Very simple.